We're in Scouthead in Saddleworth for an historic moment. It's the very first car show. They're hoping this is going to be an annual event. It's a little bit damp, but we're not going to let that dampen the event. So let's go and take a look at these amazing machines and meet the people behind the event. Joining me here now is Phil Howard. He's the organiser of the event. So how did the idea of the show come about?
5 weeks ago, stood over there, decided to have a car show. 30 cars expected, and as you see, it's gone wild. We've got 135 different vehicles boots in, and this is where we are now.
Wow, that's amazing. What did it take to pull the event together? Was there a lot of hard work involved?
Yeah, we work as a team, to be fair. We've got a local committee, it's the Scouthead Austerlands community group. We work well together. It's been difficult, but worthwhile.
Have you got any plans to make this like an annual event, or ideas to get this like a bigger event going in the future?
Everybody else has. Yeah, to be fair, the local community who own land have been extremely generous, and they're now speaking about next year. So it could come off. There's no reason why we shouldn't come off. You know, the interest around here, we've got nothing else around here anymore, car related or vehicle related. So yeah, see what brings next year.
Well, I'm hoping it does. It looks like it's going to be an amazing event.
Yeah, if the weather was good, well, if the weather was good, it'd be rammed.
Yeah.
You know, Dawson's Field is an amazing place, really is. So we've got to utilise it, and if we can do car shows, bike shows, whatever it happens to be, that's what we'll do.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome. Thanks very much, mate.
No worries. So, here with Steve. Can you tell me a little bit about your camper van here?
Yeah, it's 1959, split screen. It's never been welded, it's totally rust free, come from California. We use it, it's my daily driver. It's the only car I've got.
Wow.
And we use it for camping. We've just done the North Coast 500, which is actually 1,500 miles when you come from here. Well, I've had a few over the years, and this one just came up in Stockport. So I thought, well, I'll have a look at it, and it's a good price. And I got it a bit cheaper, so it was an even better price. And decided to keep it. I bought it to sell on, but I decided to keep it because I like it.
So I'm here with Frank Rothwell. Welcome to the first show, the car show of Dawson's Field. How do you feel about being here?
Oh, I'm overjoyed. Absolutely fantastic. Look how many people are here. It's a phenomenal success, isn't it?
It is, and hopefully it'll be an annual event.
Oh, it'll come back. It'll definitely be an annual event. This, you know, it's, the organisers, particularly Phil, is really enthusiastic about this. He's a man who does things, and he won't be here next time. It'll be somewhere flatter, bigger, somewhere we can park very close to, and yeah, it'll be a massive do next year.
Fingers crossed. Now I'm hoping if you can tell me a little bit more about this very unique vehicle you've got here.
Yeah, at the moment I'm leaning on the telly. Oh yeah. So this is a steam-powered Land Rover, which I made myself. This the boiler comes off a miniature steam traction engine, which I made myself, and then I took the engine out of it and put it in a Land Rover. And then I had to get the drive from the engine to the back axle, which is difficult.
Right, and how do you actually drive this thing now? It's obviously not like an ordinary Land Rover.
Well, it's built well. I'll show you in a minute, because it's only got one pedal, which is the brake, and then everything else is just by hand controls. You've got a throttle which increases the amount of steam that goes into the engine, and then a valve control which makes the engine go backwards or forwards. It's dead simple, really. So this is my mate Robert. Now he's my stalker today. So how much pressure have we got, Robert?
150 pounds.
All right. So what pressure will it do before it blows off?
200.
Oh, so we're not ready for blowing off yet?
No.
Okay, so I've shut the bottom vent. I'm just going to demonstrate to the camera the vent. that draft, that's it. So that puts air into the boiler, and then Robert's now going to put it and shut it, so it's now shut, so the boiler will keep going slowly. And if you can hear this little rattling, I can hear it, that means we're pumping water into the engine, and that's what he's doing at the moment. I don't know if you can see the water level on there, it's very hard to see, but Robert can see it. So I follow Robert, good point to where it level is. It's about 3/4 full, so we're okay at that.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah, and and we're all these things, injector steam, but I don't use that. Blow down, so I open that, blows all the steam out if I need to do.
How many shows do you take this to? Is it difficult to transport around, or?
Yeah, last year I took it to 2. This year we might do 6 or 7 this year. Most of them are away from here because I'm local to where we are today. So we normally live in North Yorkshire, so we have a caravan that we go and spend a couple of nights in.
Fantastic stuff. Well, thank you very much for talking to me, and and congratulations with the match at Wembley, by the way. It was very edge of the seat stuff, that.
It was, were you there?
I wasn't there, no, but I was watching, yeah.
Oh, weren't that brilliant, eh? When we were 2-1 down, I thought, oh no, same old. And I thought, we've got to beat them 2-0 now to win. To get promoted, we've got to beat them 2-0. And then, we scored 2. Old men crying.
Yeah.
Old men crying, yeah. On the other side, if only I can feel me get in this one. So what's this called? It's called the steering wheel, yeah. What's this? Oh, can you do that? Oh, you are clever. You were very strong.
So, Kira, what's your favourite vehicle here?
It's definitely the ice cream van.
So I'm here with Barry, and he's going to tell us a little bit about his Mini. Thank you, Barry.
Hi, it's a 1997 Mini Cooper. As usual with all Minis, it has been rebuilt. The trailer on the back is another 97 Mini that failed its MOT and was reshelled, and the back end was made into this trailer. So it's a proper Mini, cut in half.
So how long have you had the vehicle?
I've had it nearly 13 years now.
And you've been to many shows with it?
Oh yes, with Lincoln we do every year, Blackpool, Cleveland's. This is our first year. And we do Rochdale. Oh, what's the other one?
Yeah.
There's quite a few shows that we do go to with Alderman District Mini Club.
Yeah. And this is the first one in Scouthead.
This is the first one, yes.
What do you think of it today?
I think it's fantastic. It's going to be a great show if they do it every year. We'll certainly be here.
Yeah. Oh, brilliant. Fingers crossed. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
So I'm here with Ian at the Scouthead Austerlands Car Show. I was wondering if you can tell me a little bit more about your vehicle, please.
Yeah, it's a Chevrolet C10 from 1968, 6.6 litre small block engine on air suspension. It's been wrapped by a guy called Rico, side exhausts and 20-inch alloys, 335 wide on the back and 285 on the front.
motor running. Keep the motor running.
So having a good time today at the car show?
I think it's been an absolute success, for the first one. I think it's been really good,
Yeah, it's been smashing.
Coming again next year, hopefully.
Good stuff.
Something with us next year. This is my son's car.
Oh right, okay.
So I'm Henry. Well, this is my second car. It's my 2008 Porsche Cayman, 2.7, not the S. As I felt it was the more bulletproof engine for my first Porsche, especially. I absolutely love it to bits, and every time I look at it, it just puts a smile on my face.
So have you enjoyed the day today?
Yeah.
What's been your favourite vehicle?
Probably the yellow one over there. The sporty looking one.
That's a lot of kids' favourites actually, yeah.
We've been taking pictures of the cars to then draw them.
Oh, brilliant. Yeah, you're a bit of an artist. Yeah, superb. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye. So just here with Paul Sykes now, just to see how the day's gone and how's it going, Paul?
The day is going fantastic. A lot more cars have turned up. Considering the weather, they've done really well. This morning we were terrified it weren't going to work, but the weather, the people who've turned up, community, car owners, brilliant day. Thank you.
And everybody's up for another stint next year.
Fingers crossed we will be doing this again next year, but we've learnt a lot, bigger and better. All for Scouthead and Austerlands.
Yeah. Well, that's fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Paul.
Thank you, man.
Bye-bye.
Thanks a lot.
Well, there we have it, folks. That's the first, it's not quite over, but that's the first vehicle show for Scouthead and Austerlands. The weather's not too bad now. It's been a funny day, but it's not putting a dampener on things at all. So, we're all looking forward to another go next year. Bigger and better. If anybody's got any suggestions to how to make it bigger and better, let us know. But yeah, what a fantastic day. Well, that's all from me for today, and thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this, all about events and goings on in Saddleworth. See you later.